Okay, now the next is 4.8 and the numerical is a closely wound solenoid 80 centimeter long, length is given, has 5 layers of windings of 400 turns each. So student, what is given? Given is length of the solenoid, which is L. You can write small l, you can write capital L, that is the length of the solenoid, which is 80 centimeter. You can change it 80 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay. Now there are 5 layers. Number of layers you can write small n dash. There are 5 layers. And number of turn in one layer. Each layer you can write it small n, that is the number of turns in each layer, which is 400. So if there is n number of turns in one layer, then there are 5 turns. So there are 5 layers, and you can calculate the total number of turns, which will be n dash into n, which is 5 into 400, which is 2000. This is the total number of turns in the solenoid. Now, the diameter of the solenoid is, diameter is given here. You can write it small d. This is diameter 1.8 centimeter. हम इसे change करेंगे whenever there is a requirement. If the current carried is, current is given, which is I, 8.0 ampere. Estimate the magnitude of magnetic field, which is capital B, inside the solenoid near its center. Okay, so this is the topic of magnetic field at the center of a solenoid. Student, first of all, the basic. As we know, in a solenoid, the pattern of a magnetic field is just like that. This is the pattern of magnetic field. And the magnetic field near the center or within the solenoid is maximum, and it is uniform. And having the magnitude, which is B, you can write B, mu naught n into I. Mu naught n into I. Here mu naught n is the number of turns per unit length and I is the current. So this is the maximum magnetic field at the center of the solenoid. तो यही concept हम use करने वाले हैं. So we have to find magnetic field at the center of the solenoid. We will use the formula B, which is mu naught n into I, but n is not given. Here the total number of turns and length are given. ठीक है, this is the not the here this n is the number of turns per length, but हमने यहाँ पे consider किया है small n, वो है number of turns in each turn. So तो यहाँ पर हम पजल नहीं होंगे, ये दोनों अलग चीज़ें हैं. ओके, ये मेरे फॉर्मूला के अकॉर्डिंग जो हमने पढ़ा था, स्मॉल एन नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स पर लेंथ. ओके, हम इसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. म्यू नॉट कैपिटल एन बाय एन नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स अपॉन लेंथ, स्मॉल एन की जगह, इनटू आई. नाउ पुटिंग ऑल द वैल्यूज, बी 4 पाई इंटू 10⁻⁻7 into capital N, total number of turns 2000 into I is given 8. Okay, L is the length, which is 80 into 10⁻². Now this will be cancelled out, we can cancel it. Okay, it will be 8 pi, you can write 8 pi into 10⁻². जब ऊपर आएंगे प्लस के 2 हो जाएंगे, ये हो जाएंगे प्लस के 4, एंड दिस वन that is -3 into 10⁻⁻3. Okay, so this will be the calculation. So magnetic field will be in Tesla, that is 8 pi into 10 raised to power minus 3 Tesla. So this is the final result. Magnetic field at the center of the solenoid. This is 4.8.